Today we're going to check out a 2015 Coachmen Catalina 50th Anniversary Edition 263 RLS travel trailer with a rear living room and a large slide out. Take a look at the outside. It's got the aluminum siding with the tan exterior color on it. Up front we've got dual LP tanks, power tongue jack. We'll have a battery on board. Notice there's got stabilizer jacks down below. Over here on this side, take a quick look at it. You see the slide out. Front storage compartment, pass through. Previous owner left their cover for it, so that goes with it. Moving back, we've got the system center here. We've got the city water connection, cable TV, outside shower, and then the drains for the fresh and for the gray and black water tanks down below. And it looks like the freshwater, hot and cold wines are right behind that as well. Little red and blue lines back there for winterizing. And we've got another stabilizer jack down below on the bottom here. On the back, nice big window. Power cord comes out, 30 amp shore power, and a spare tire. Come around to the entry side. Got a nice awning on there. 2 entrance doors to get into the camper, one in the bedroom, one in the living room area. In the middle here, we've got the freshwater fill right next to the water heater compartment, refrigerator compartment up there, 2 outside speakers, and a light. Let's go in and check out the inside. So here's the layout. We've got that big rear window, nice chair, sofa that will convert to a bed for extra sleeping, table and 4 chairs, easier to sit around, play some games, card games, board games, things like that, as well as meals. Up in front, got a TV going, stereo as well. Over on the side, got the interior kitchen, slots of storage over there. Big double sink, storage space up above. Right here we've got the controls for the slide out, lights, monitor panel, and then just down here, the control for the electric awning. Good size microwave. Stovetop with an oven below. 2-door refrigerator. Gas electric, freezer on top, refrigerator down below. We've got the thermostat that covers both the air conditioner and the furnace. The furnace is going to be ducted down below, so you'll see that on the floor we've got the vents coming up there, and up above the main part of the air conditioner is right there with the cold air dumps, and then we also have the ducting going forward and backwards in the ceiling. Come forward into the bathroom. We'll come back to that in a second here because we're already in the bedroom area. So you're going to walk around queen bed up front with storage underneath. We got storage in there and then a wall separating this interior storage from the outside pass-through storage that we looked at before. On either side of the bed, shirt wardrobes with storage below with outlets on both sides, charging cell phones, CPAP machines, whatever. And then storage up on that side as well. There's also a place to put another TV in the bedroom if you want to add one. Now we'll take a quick look in the bathroom here. So we got a nice vanity mirror, storage above that, sink below, more storage down there, nice big shower, skylight above, nice angled shower, plenty of room. And then across from the shower, the toilet stall, and more storage up above. So that's a quick tour of our 2015 Coachmen Catalina 263 RLS with the rear living room floor plan and a large slide out. Got any questions, give us a call here at Gog's Camperway at 507-345-5858.